Hey guys, it's Katie Lendel here. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're watching my videos or you're on my channel, and I am finally back from a getaway. And don't get me wrong, because I did enjoy my getaway, our vacation, our family vacation. We traveled to like a few different states across the United States, and we really enjoyed it. But I'm sure glad to be back. And I'm sure glad to just continue providing value videos and trainings for you guys here on how to build an online business. So if you're interested in in building an online business and creating a stream of income from home, go ahead and subscribe. I provide a lot of trainings, a lot of value here for you guys, specifically on how to create a lifestyle of freedom, lifestyle of your dreams through internet marketing. So I am, I will be excited to have you as a subscriber, as a part of this family that I have here on YouTube. And yeah, I just wanted to bring this up to you guys, that I'm ready to provide to you guys more trainings that I have in store for you guys here, and look forward to it. Make sure you click that bell to turn on notifications if you haven't yet, to see or to be notified when my new video goes live. And today, what I wanted to actually mention to you guys really quick, I did want to bring some value to you guys in this video as well, but as well as letting you guys know what's going on in my life, and that we're back. But I did want to mention that what I've recently actually, I was listening to a podcast, and what I really liked, how that guy, I forgot his name, it was Nick, I forgot the last name, but he was saying that like his biggest thing that he didn't like in his life and about him was actually the biggest asset and the biggest thing that helped him to break through, to create a lifestyle that he actually was never dreamed that it's possible. So don't, instead of creating excuses about like what you don't like about yourself, if you think that this thing is gonna stop you from succeeding, instead of that, make this your greatest asset in building your business, in creating the lifestyle that you've always dreamed of. And because that is, for most people, the biggest thing that they don't like about themselves, or that, like, for example, if they are handicapped, for example, if they don't have arms or legs or something like that guy didn't have arms, legs, he only had one arm, or actually not a full arm even. So this, whatever he did not have and whatever he thought would actually stop him from doing so many things in life, actually, it ended up that this actually brought him so much success, so much encouragement for other people. He's changing so many lives all over the world just because of that one thing that he thought, that would stop him from doing so many things in life. So make sure, just make that thing, whatever you are, whatever you think, or you're creating an excuse of whatever, something that will stop you from succeeding, something that will not allow you to break through. Make sure that one thing is actually your biggest asset in your business and in your life. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys here today. Hope to inspire, some of you guys, at least some of you guys. Hope to inspire a lot of you guys to, don't create excuses, because excuses are just things that you create in your mind, and, they will not take you anywhere in life. Make sure to turn those excuses around and create something wonderful and something beautiful out of it. Make sure to encourage others, to inspire others, and to create a lifestyle and do something that will actually take someone and move them to the next level in their life, in their business, and to just inspire others to move on in their life and not to be stuck creating excuses. You don't do it, and make sure through you people will actually you will help people to inspire them and encourage them to move on and move forward in their life and create this beautiful lifestyle and life that they've always dreamed of, and that they, through their thing that they are doing in their life, they will be changing other people's lives. And that's how we are, we will be able to change this world if every one of us will start focusing on that. All right, hope you guys got some value out of this video. And again, I'm finally back, and my goal is to provide, in the near future, to provide a lot more trainings for you guys on how to build an online business, and more encouraging videos, inspiring videos, and to help you get to the next level in your life and in your business. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll chat with you guys later. Blessings.